Welcome to our essential guide on assembling a 72-hour emergency kit. You know, out in the wild, I've learned the hard way that being prepared is the difference between making it home and, well, not. We never know when disaster might strike, a hurricane, an earthquake, or even just a power outage. In those first critical 72 hours, you need to be able to rely on yourself. This video is going to give you the tools you need to survive, to stay strong, and to protect yourself and your loved ones. We'll walk you through the critical items you need to make it through those first 3 days. Remember, in a real crisis, panic can set in. But not for us. We're going to be calm, collected, and ready for anything. Over the next few minutes, we'll pack your 72-hour kit together piece by piece. This isn't just about ticking off a checklist, it's about understanding why these items are vital and how they might just save your life. Let's get started. Before we get too deep, please take a moment to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps and it's free. Okay, let's get into it. First things first, we need water. Out in the wilderness, I've gone days without food, but water is non-negotiable. You need 3 gallons per person per day. That's for drinking, cooking, even cleaning wounds. Keep those water bottles fresh. Replace them every 6 months. And consider water purification tablets or a portable filtration system. You never know what kind of water you'll find in an emergency. Trust me, I've drunk from some pretty suspect puddles in my time. These tablets, they can neutralize bacteria and viruses, making that water safe to drink. Believe me, when you're parched, that little tablet is a lifesaver. Remember, staying hydrated keeps your mind sharp and your body strong. It's your lifeblood in a survival situation. Next up, food. You can't fight on an empty stomach. Stock your kit with at least 3 days worth of non-perishable, ready-to-eat food. Think energy bars, canned goods, nuts, dried fruit, things that will give you a much-needed energy boost. Don't forget a manual can opener. There's nothing more frustrating than having food but no way to open it. And check those expiration dates regularly. Remember those MREs, the meals ready to eat from my days in the Corps? They're not fancy, but they're packed with calories and can last for years. Perfect for your kit. In a crisis, you need your strength. Food is fuel. Make sure you have enough to keep going. Chapter 3. Medication. Stay healthy under pressure. Emergencies don't care about your health conditions. Pack your prescription medications, enough for at least a week. Over-the-counter drugs for pain, fever, allergies, those are crucial too. And don't forget a good multivitamin. If you rely on medical equipment, consider a portable power supply. You need to be prepared for the unexpected. I've been in situations where a simple first aid kit wasn't enough. One time, I was trekking through the Amazon when I got a nasty gash on my leg. Having antiseptic wipes and bandages, those were essential. Remember, your health is your priority. A well-stocked medical kit can make all the difference. Chapter 4. First Aid. Be your own first responder. Injuries happen, especially in survival situations. A well-stocked first aid kit is non-negotiable. Gloves, gauze pads, bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers. These are the basics. But knowledge is just as important as supplies. Do you know how to treat a burn? How to splint a broken bone? These are skills that can save lives. I always recommend taking a basic first aid course. I've seen firsthand how quickly a situation can turn dangerous. Being able to patch yourself up or help someone else is invaluable. Remember, in an emergency, you might be your own first responder. Be prepared to take action. Chapter 5. Tools and communication. Find your way and signal for help. In a crisis, communication and navigation are key. A wind-up flashlight and radio combination, that's essential. No need to rely on batteries that might die. Pack spare batteries anyway for your other devices. An external battery pack for your cell phone, that's a lifesaver. A whistle to signal for help. Local maps. A compass. These are tools that can get you found. I've used a signal mirror to flash for help from miles away. It's about being resourceful, using what you have to survive. Remember, in a disaster, information is power. The ability to navigate, communicate, and signal for help can be the difference between life and death. Outro. Be prepared, stay strong. We've covered a lot of ground, but remember, this is just the starting point. Your 72-hour kit should be tailored to your individual needs and your environment. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that you and your family are well prepared for any emergency. Being prepared is about more than just surviving, it's about thriving. It's about facing the unknown with courage and resourcefulness. I hope this short video helps you on your preparedness journey. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you.